Ever feel like your Tineco Floor One S5 is straight up ghosting you? You put it on the dock, you check the plug, you even wiggle the cable, and it responds with nothing. No lights, no charging voice, just pure cold silence. Is it on a hunger strike, or is it just tired of your dirty floors? Hi-yo, the stress is real. Here's a not-so-fun fact. If your Tineco Floor One S5 is refusing to take a charge, it's likely not your outlet or a broken cable. The real drama is happening inside. What's the secret? When your S5 refuses to take a charge, it's usually because of the battery. Inside that battery pack are multiple lithium-ion cells. If just one of those cells drops below a certain voltage or becomes faulty, the smart brain of the vacuum says, nope, not safe, and shuts down the charging port entirely. Ignoring a dead battery doesn't just mean a dirty house. It turns your premium smart vacuum into a very expensive, very heavy paperweight. But don't toss it in the bin just yet. RoboCare has the expertise to bring your machine back to life. At RoboCare, our technicians are specialists who live and breathe Tineco technology. We've diagnosed and revived hundreds of Tineco Floor One S5 units with this exact power failure. We carefully inspect the battery, identify faulty cells, and perform a professional replacement using only genuine components that restore your vacuum's original runtime and power. We take the stress out of technical repairs so you can get back to a clean home without the DIY risk. But seeing is believing. Let's see the incredible results. Look at that. Look at the glow up. This Tineco Floor One S5 is back to 100%. Maximum suction, full runtime, and zero frustration. Ready to revive your vacuum? Contact RoboCare today. Visit our website or call us to schedule your repair.